my response is going to be representing my opinion and not the necessary representation view of the Genentech. And I think, Stan, to your questions, in a lot of research I've done, and those I've seen is like what we're witnessing is a fundamental shift, right? From episodic cardiology to continuous cardiovascular intelligence. So what we're seeing then is all this emerging technology and the AIs are turning those fragmented data into data points for more continuous streams of intelligence. So the result is not just the coordination, right? It's starting to become more of a cardiovascular monitoring care environment. There are so many tools out there, but I think the most powerful ones is not the tools as individual technologies, but it's the ability to connect all the other relevant tools and data to create that intelligence network. For example, wearables are no longer just consumer gadgets, right? They are front lines of diagnostic tools, and they're becoming more and more as a companion diagnostic tools, assuming data are available to start to bring a much more personalized approach to treat patients. Remote monitoring then extend the clinics into the home, and AI can then translate how some of this raw data is coming together to bring a little more predictive insights. And I think it goes back to my earlier point that all of these tools working together and the capabilities working together is what we need in order to enable this personalized treatment approach. That's a great question, Stan. So that's my 2 cents. I don't know how technology is going to evolve, but I think the measurable outcome would be to be able to prevent cardiovascular disease before it becomes clinically visible, right? That means prevention. That means tailored treatment. That means invisible care when care surrounds the patients more seamlessly, and also increasing the adherence and improving the trust of all these connected tools from wearable and remote monitorings and kind of how care teams are, reaching out to patients proactively. And I would advocate for total health, right, which is the heart failure hospitalizations becomes a rare event.